How to activate Applecare Plus. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to check for automatic activation. If you purchased Applecare Plus at the same time as your device, it might be already activated. Check your device's coverage details under settings, then general, then about, then Applecare Plus. And after that, you have to find your registration number. If you have a booklet or paper titled Getting Started or Web Registration Instructions with registration number, you will need to register online and navigate to the Applecare registration page. So for that, you have to go to Applecare registration page on Apple website and then sign in to your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you can create one during the process. And you have to choose your country, select the Applecare product and enter the registration and serial numbers if applicable. And then you have to agree to the terms and conditions, read the terms and conditions carefully and agree to them. And after that, you have to follow the on-screen instructions to finish activating your Applecare Plus plan. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.